सो हेलो नमस्कार टू द ऑल केमिस्ट्री लवर्स डॉक्टर्स एंड इंजीनियर्स ऑफ द नियर फ्यूचर। मैं विजय कुमार सोनी आपका स्वागत करता हूं केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल रिगार्डिंग टू योर केमिस्ट्री। प्रीवियस वीडियो में हम बात कर चुके हैं रिगार्डिंग टू नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन एज अ मोनो सब्स्टिट्यूटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन। मोनो सब्स्टिट्यूटेड मींस बेंजीन रिंग पर आपने एक हैलोजन ग्रुप या कोई भी सब्स्टिट्यूट ग्रुप अटैच किया था। आज जो हम बात करेंगे पर्टिकुलर फॉर द डाई सब्स्टिट्यूटेड हेलो एरिन या जस्ट डाई सब्स्टिट्यूटेड बेंजीन की रिगार्डिंग बात करेंगे। सो दिस इज द बी पार्ट, nomenclature of disubstituted बेंजीन। डाइसब्स्टिट्यूटेड बेंजीन की रिगार्डिंग बात करेंगे पर्टिकुलर। यहां एक इंपॉर्टेंट बात ध्यान देने वाली है। व्हाट इज दैट? पर्टिकुलर बेंजीन के ऊपर, रिंग के ऊपर अगर टू सब्स्टिट्यूटेड, डाई मीन्स टू सब्स्टिट्यूट्स अगर अटैच हैं तो उनके लिए पर्टिकुलर कंडीशंस तीन वेरी करती हैं। इनमें से नंबर 1 कंडीशन आती है आपके पास में 1-2 पोजीशन, कुछ इस टाइप से 1-2 पोजीशन। ये 1-2 पोजीशन कहीं भी हो सकती है, 1-2 कंटिन्यूअसली 1-2 होनी चाहिए। तो 1-2 पोजीशन को हम कॉमन सिस्टम में ऑर्थो कहते हैं। दिस इज ऑर्थो। This is also called as denoted by O. If I'll go with the another substitute, another position, that is your 1-3 position, and 1-3 position is called as meta, and it is denoted by small m, and 1-4 position is called as para. This is the para position. 1-4 position is called as para position and it is denoted by P. Ortho, meta and para, these three important words. If I'll go with the just nomenclature, then first of all I would like to go with the alkyl group. First is your, this is the CS3, we have discussed, this is called as toluene. Now there is CS3. This may be as follows over the 1-3 position, CS3 and CS3. This may be over the 1-4 position, and as we have discussed, we'll take the common name in bracket. So this is called as O-xylene. This is called as M-xylene. This is called as P-xylene. O-xylene, xylene, M-xylene or P-xylene. Regarding to just your alkyl group, if you go with the just IUPAC name, then it will be as follows: 1-2 dimethylbenzene, 1-2 dimethylbenzene. This is 1-3 dimethylbenzene, 1-3 dimethylbenzene, and this is called as 1-4 dimethylbenzene. So this was about the just first regarding to your alkyl group. Now I would like to go with the second. This is the second for the substituent as a halogen. We have discussed, this is called as chlorobenzene. For the two substitute may be as follows: Cl, this may be taken as follows. This is the number 2, and these may be as follows. Same with the ortho, meta, and this is the para, 1-4 position. This is the para. If I'll go with the just common name, then regarding to the common name, this is called as O-dichlorobenzene. O-dichlorobenzene. This is called as M-dichlorobenzene. M-dichlorobenzene. This is called as P-dichlorobenzene. P-dichlorobenzene as a common name. If I'll go with the just your IUPAC name, then we can say this is called as 1,2-dichlorobenzene, 1,2-dichlorobenzene. This is called as 1,3-dichlorobenzene, and this is called as 1,4-dichlorobenzene as a IUPAC name. It was for the same halogen atom. If both are different, like this, suppose this is the one of the example as a Br and Cl, then we will count the chain from here because bromo B is more prior, so it is called as O bromo chlorobenzene as a common name. IUPAC name will be 1 bromo 2 chlorobenzene, 1 bromo 2 chlorobenzene. This was regarding to your halogen. If there is different substituents like this is your suppose one of the halogen group, and this is the CH3 any alkyl group. If this is the fifth, we can take one of the halogen, may take just Br, and this is the NO2. Then what will be? If I go with the common name, then no doubt C is carbon is countable. So this is called as O-chloroxylene will be the common name. IUPAC name will be 1-chloro. This is the 1-chloro 2-methylbenzene. 2-methylbenzene will be the IUPAC name. For this, it will be your P bromo nitrobenzene, P bromo nitrobenzene common name, and it will be 4 just 1 bromo 4 nitrobenzene will be the IUPAC name. If I will go with the further, then we can take just your sixth regarding to your function group as a carboxylic acid. This is COOH. This is the COOH, and this may be as follows. Seventh, these two carboxylic group may be over number 1 position and number 4 position similar to it, so we can take just same for the compound. This is the phthalic acid, common name phthalic acid, and the IUPAC name will be benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid, 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. This is the 1,2. If I go with this, then it is called as terphthallic acid, and IUPAC name will be benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. This was about the just your some of the example as a di-substituted benzene. In the same order, if we'll go with the further, then what is that? Listen me carefully. This is the seventh compound. If CO and S2 group, amide group, are at the same position, then this is called as common name phthalamide, and IPC name will be benzene 1,2-dicarbamide, the name of compound. If I'll go with the further 8 compound, then what may they? That may be as follows. This is the further OH group. It is called as phenol. And if there is just your CH3, then there may three condition: OH, CH3. This is the OH and this is the CH3. Now, common name, regarding to the common name, it will be as a O-cresol, O-cresol. This is N-cresol and this is the P-cresol. O-cresol, M-cresol and P-cresol will be the name. If I will go with the just IPC name, then as a IPC name we can take 2-methylphenol. Now function group is more prior. This is 3-methylphenol, 3-methylphenol. This is your 4-methylphenol will be the name of compound. If there are just function group with the same number, same function group, as a OH, ortho, this is the meta, this is the para position, OH and OH. This is called as catechol. If I'll go with the common name, then this is called as catechol. Catechol. This is called as resorcinol. This is called as quinol. If I'll go with the IPC name, these are the common name. Then as a common name, here will your benzene, 1,2-diol. This is benzene 1,3-diol. This is benzene 1,4-diol as a name of the compound. Now with the further, what is that? Regarding to disubstituted benzene as a 10th compound, we can take this one. Common name is your OCH3. We can take further with the phenol also. So this will be your OH, NO2. This is your OH, NO2. This is your OH and NO2. If I go with the common name, then this is called as O-nitrophenol. O-nitrophenol. This is called as M-nitrophenol. M-nitrophenol. This is called as P-nitrophenol. P-nitrophenol. Ortho, meta and para-nitrophenol. If I go with the just IPC name, then regarding to IPC name, it will be 2-nitrophenol. 2-nitrophenol. This is called as 3-nitrophenol. 3-nitrophenol. This is called as 4-nitrophenol will be the name of compound. Now the time to discuss about the 11th group. As we can take your OCS3, then it is called as common name is anisole. This may be over here Br. Here may just OCS3 NO2. Here may OCS3 and this is the CS3. Here may just your OCS3 and SO3H. This is the your OCS3 and this is the COCS3, also called as acetophenone. So the name of common name of compound will be O-bromoanisole. O-bromoanisole. This is O-nitro. This is the O-nitro-anisole. This is the O-p-methoxytoluene because of CS3 is more prior than the OCS3. Now the IUPAC name, it is called as 2-bromo, maybe 1-bromo 2-methoxy. This is the 1-bromo 2-methoxybenzene. 2-methoxybenzene. This is your 1-methoxy 2-nitrobenzene. 2-nitrobenzene. This is called as just 4-methoxy methylbenzene. Methylbenzene will be the IUPAC name. For this, just it is called as para. This is your methoxy sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid. This is your para-methoxy acetophenone will be the common name. Regarding to the IUPAC name will be your, this is the 4-methoxy benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. This is your 4-methoxy just phenyl acetophenone. Phenyl ethanone will be the name of compound. This was about the 11th function group. So this was about the just nomenclature of disubstituted benzene. We'll meet in the next video with the new topic as a nomenclature of polysubstituted benzene. And further we'll start a lot of deeply part of the organic chemistry because of this chapter is very important for the 11th, not only for the 11th, 12th NEET and IIT also. Till then, Shukriya, Dhanyawad.